Keeps you hydrated, keeps your body functioning, and keeps you feeling fit, especially when you're mixing it with the other six. Come on.
Hi, it's Kaz here, your host for Afro Hair and Beauty Association. Now, I'm here with an amazing young man who's going to be telling us about his organization. He's going to discuss about healthcare. He's going to talk about your skin. He's going to just talk about his business to inspire you to think more about what you're eating and what you're putting into your body. So, hello, Aaron. How are you?
What a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Tell us about your organisation, My Healthcare.
My Healthcare is it's a brainchild that I thought up about 5 years ago. Because I've always had a passion for healing. I've always had a passion for helping people and helping people to achieve beyond their realm of expectation. So I formed a company. Originally it was called Gold Juice Detox, but it still is called Gold Juice Detox, which was aimed at bringing people into optimum levels of themselves for using juices. But over the years we've developed the company, so we've now established a range of products. We also incorporate technology, which obviously scans the body and has a conversation with the body and identifies any underperforming organs, so we can bring them back into balance. And we use our range of products, we use our technology to bring your body back into how it should be. And because obviously we have such a holistic approach, we found that My Healthcare, it encapsulated everything we did in a much more positive way and a much more realistic way. And it's about empowering people with information. So when you say My Healthcare, it's about you having your health in your hands.
Yeah, I like that. So Aaron, what's your story? How did you start your organisation? What made you get there? What inspired you? I know I'm asking you like multiple questions, but what's your story?
I was brought up in the church.
Right.
And in a nutshell, as soon as I reached 18, I said, right, I'm not going to church anymore. I don't have to go to church anymore. Up to that age, you have to do what mum says. You went to church. And after, completing my adulthood, I thought, right, I'm going to go into the world and do what I have to do. And I ended up, I think I was following my mum's footsteps. My mum was a nurse, but she always used to organise parties and functions at the house. My dad was an accountant, so he was always a business person. So I found myself being a social entrepreneur. So I was a businessman with a social conscience. I used to organise events, I used to organise parties, I used to organise club nights, and I always used to mix cocktails because I could never understand why people always wanted to drink alcohol as part of their social activities. It tasted disgusting. I thought, how can I make this thing that people do so often a bit more palatable, a bit more enjoyable? So I started mixing alcoholic drinks with, Ribena, with Lucozade, with, guava juice, and mixed it with the brandies and the Jack Daniels. And I discovered there was a thing called cocktails. People said, "Oh, you're making cocktails?" I was like, "Oh, is that what you call it?" Okay. And I didn't realize that was my gift for mixing products and making things taste nicer to make people feel better. So it wasn't until one day I was at a club. I was doing a club, and the security guard, she was a devout Christian, and she kept saying, "You don't belong here. You belong to Jesus."
Wow.
And
This is a security guard.
Security guard. And every time I came to the club, she said the same thing: "You don't belong here. You belong to Jesus." And fast forward 5 years, that stuck with me because obviously having my church upbringing, and it wasn't until I had an epiphany that I came to realize that the gift that I had for mixing these potions wasn't for making people feel inebriated. It was actually bringing health and wellness to people. This is what I was actually put here to do. So that's when I embarked on the whole journey of making juices. Instead of making the alcohol, I left out the alcohol and just started making the juices. And then we employed the technology, and the technology, started to show us a lot more chronic conditions that we tried to address with juices. But we found that there was limitations, so we had to start developing products as a result of that. So all the products were based on juices as the foundation, and then going into the more biochemical aspects of them, so we can start to formulate products that would actually address the problems that people are facing.
Right.
And as a result of that, the business was born. It went from Gold Juice Detox into My Healthcare, because obviously we now have 117 products that we produce and manufacture. And because I have a passion for people, passion for helping people and making people feel better, I studied nutrition. So I did a nutritional course. I'm also a qualified teacher. I'm a professional sports coach.
When you say qualified teacher, what subject?
When I qualified, I qualified as a general teacher.
Right.
So I was teaching in Southwark College. We did I devised our own course to deliver to, I think they call them NEETs, not in education, employment training.
Yeah.
And my subject was showing them the impact of their food on their performance. So I put together a course to show them how they could improve their performance by changing what they ate. So I combined all my skills, my coaching background, my nutritional knowledge, and my academical prowess to deliver this course. And the children really loved it, because I'd say things like, who in here takes drugs? And nobody put their hand up. And I showed them, well, let's look at your ingredients. And they saw all the E's on there and all the E numbers and all the chemicals that they were taking. And they realized that, wow, we're taking drugs, we don't realize.
Yeah.
So it was a really fun experience, and being able to impart that information. And that's what's really inspired me to really, go on and show people more, because obviously there's a lot of things that people don't know. And if whoever knows has responsibility to share with those who don't know, to bring them into the light, so to speak. So that's what's really been the motivating factor, to bring more people into the light, and to, as I say, take them out of the darkness and bring them into the light.
Wow.
And that's what's really, brought me where I am today. That's why the business it's just thriving naturally, because we're here for the people. We love serving people, and we love bringing people beyond their realm of expectation.
And you're offering a service, a service to a need.
Absolutely.
Because at the end of the day, people, unfortunately, there's so many forms of illnesses, and some illnesses they just cannot even name.
No.
We've seen people dying constantly from
Yes.
cancer and all various different diseases. But so what you're doing is amazing.
Thank you.
And in regards to even your tips that you've given and you've shared with us as well, that's been absolutely amazing. So thank you so much.
That's welcome.
And continue to do what you're doing for the people. So in regards to your organisation, My Healthcare, what is My Healthcare?
My Healthcare is a company that we formed over 5 years ago. I'll take it back further. I'm a nutritional therapist.
Right.
And what we do is we combine cutting edge technology along with cleansing, detox and lifestyle change. The cutting edge technology is a scan we do that has a conversation with your body through your hand, and your body speaks, and it produces a detailed report that highlights the levels of stress on all your organs.
So through your hands?
Through your hand. So it's a very advanced technology. People are always blown away by the information that it provides. And once it's like a biosurvey, so your body actually speaks like you ask. If you had a normal survey, you'd answer the questions yourself by filling in the answers. But when you do a biosurvey, the questions are asked direct to your body, and your body responds through the software. So a bit like a lie detector.
Yeah.
So once you've got that information, we can then decide, your body will actually tell us what it needs, and then we will put together a program or lifestyle change program to help you to bring your body back into balance. So as a result of using the technology over the years, we've developed a range of products to match with what your body said it needs.
Right.
Hence, we've now given birth organically to the company My Healthcare.
Right, okay.
Because it's your body that's telling us what it needs, so we're giving you back your health and putting your health back in your hands. Hence, My Healthcare was born.
Wow, so in terms of your clients, your patients, is this for any age group, any ethnic minority? Is it for everybody, so to speak?
Our vision is to promote freedom through well-being. Our mission is to produce 1 million health ambassadors worldwide. By health ambassadors, I mean black, white, yellow, green, whatever color you are, whatever ethnic origin you are. It's about people. It's about empowering people with the knowledge that they need to be able to improve their health. And once they've gone through our lifestyle change program and they've noticed the changes and they've received the information, they've been able to take back control of their health and overcome a lot of chronic conditions, their story and their journey, they'll automatically share that with other people. So our mission is to create 1 million health ambassadors, which is people that have gone through that process and gone through that program, who will then automatically share their experience with other people and then empower other people to do the same, effectively creating a global community of health conscious people.